We are now located Sanwa Union Shodor Feni Shodor Upazila from Bangladesh. Here, Bangladesh Himayat Islam Mission is conducting relief distribution program of the people who are affected by the terrible flood. Honorable Chairman of our organization, Allama Abu Nasr Nasaruddin Ahmad Hussain, is personally conducting the activities. The organization was established in the beginning of the 20th century and has repeatedly extended its hand of support to the helpless, distressed, and disaster-stricken people around the world. The founder of this charity organization is Sheikh Nasaruddin Ahmad Rahmatullah. Later, Sheikh Abu Ja'far Muhammad Sar Rahmatullah alayhi and his son, Sheikh Muhammad Muhibbullah Rahmatullah alayhi, is told by the people in danger at various times through the organization. There is no exception during recent flood. The Islam Foundation stands by the people who are affected by disaster as always. May Almighty Allah accept the organization in the service of humanity. Amen.